we show you how to pair and connect your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 to a Galaxy Wearable app. So if you do not have a Samsung phone, for example, you have maybe like a Pixel, Xiaomi, Motorola, Vivo or any other Android phone, you actually need to download this application for them called Galaxy Wearable. So you simply enter the Play Store, in the search for Galaxy Wearable, and we have to download this application here. Then and we also need to place our earphones in a pairing mode. The way we do it, we open the case on them and then we simply press and hold this button on the back. So you see one button, you hold it roughly for maybe like 4 or 5 seconds. As you see, it will start to blink in various colors. Then let's open this up here. Also make sure you have your Bluetooth enabled on your phone as well for this to properly work. Then click start here in this app. And you see it instantly got found here. So let's click connect, allow this pairing request. So it will take some while to connect. And once connected, so you see all done really. So as easy as that really. So for example, you see you can configure your like noise cancellation here, like different controls, sound quality effects, and pretty much everything that you need. And this app gets placed somewhere in your app library. So, yep, over here. Then, for example, if you are trying to actually pair these to a Samsung phone, you actually do not need to have this app. So you can actually connect them directly without that app. So if you want to do that, again, let's place them in a pairing mode. So press and hold that button. And if you have your Samsung phone nearby, you should see like a pop-up here right on your screen that you can click to connect to them. If you do not see it, you can also, like for example, swipe down here, enter your Bluetooth settings and click on the buds here to connect to them as well. So either will work. And once they are connected, you can go in settings, as you see, so in your phone settings, and they will appear here. Agree to this stuff. Okay. And as you see, you can control them here. By the way, when it comes to features, if you connect them to a Samsung phone, you will get actually way more features. So compared to any other Android phone. So they are limiting some of the features actually in these from what I'm seeing. Okay, good luck.